Hi, this is Sir M Academy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Click subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for notification.
Hello, good afternoon. Atong tutorial is paano mag-convert or mag-save isang Word into a PDF file. So ang atong button, open your document or the Word, click File, and then Save As. Save As, then your location. It should be in the online, like OneDrive, or i-browse nimo kung asa nimo siya i-save. Okay? Sige. Now, gusto nimo siya sa kining computer, this PC. In this side, pwede nimo i-rename. And then, kini ang pinaka-importante is paano i-convert. So, different file format. Pagkitaon ni mga PDF, click the PDF. Also, you can choose more options. There's more options is you can rename your name, the name of your document, like author. Okay, then imuhang optimizations ni standard ba, minimum, or you can have the options. Now sa options, depende kung sa imong gamiton nga page ni mga range, current page or page from 1, depende sa number of pages. Now diri ka sa PDF options, you can encrypt the document with password or PDFA compliant. So na siya yung mga requirements ana. So kung gusto mo bungit ang password, you click the encryption. So sa ato wala, so click cancel. Okay, and then rename and click save. Pag save nimo, automatic ma-open siya into a PDF file. Okay, so for the purpose lang, separate ko lang na siya, no? So PDF file na siya format. Thank you, good morning.